The customer received the package. Are these 3 boxes? Now we will unpack them one by one. This small box. Some original accessories, toner and chips. Some original accessories and lens. First, turn on the main power switch. Then, take a look this place. There is a water inlet here, which is used to add water. Then here is a water level display. Generally, we add water to the standard area. Is enough. And then we can start to power on. When adding water, we need to pay attention to the water level. Generally, in summer, we need to add distilled water. If there is no distilled water, can add pure water. In winter, we need to add antifreeze. Okay, now that the water is full, close the lid. Now we start to power on. For 2 kilowatts or less, we need to use 220 volts. The D wire must be connected. Okay, now we can turn on the power first. We can check the temperature on it. We need the temperature to reach about 23 C before using it. At this time, we can connect the wire feeder. The accessories of the wire feeder, which we have taken out, which are wire feeding tube, some tools, power cord, and a wire feeder. Plug the power cable into the rightmost port on the back of the wire feeder. There is a row plug on the back of the machine, which is the control line of the wire feeder. Plug the power cable into the power source. Now we start threading the wire feeder. The 2 ends of the wire feeder. This end has no nuts. We need to insert it into the wire feeder, in front of the motor at the front. We need to loosen the screw in front. Pass the connector through the motor. Look at this interface. It can just reach on the wire feeder wheel. Now we fix the interface. Now, let's install the wire feeder. We have prepared a 1-ton spool of wire. This wire is generally not refundable for customers. We use 1 point to wire. The wire feeder wheel inside is also 1.2. The wire should pass through here. After installation, we lock it. Then we can start it. Generally, we need to straighten the wire feeding tube. Then we can click on manual wire feeding. Wait until the wire comes out from here. Before the wire comes out, we don't install those wire feeders in front. Don't install them, to avoid wire jamming or clogging. If the manual feeding speed is slow, we can adjust it from the settings. The manual wire feeding speed can be adjusted to 500. So the wire feeding speed will be faster. After the wire comes out, we can find our tools. There is a long tube and a short tube. We use the short one. First, we fix this end to the welding torch. After removing the torch, there is a connecting block. Usually, we just need to wear it to the end. Put the nut at the bottom. After fixing it, then we can put in. We feed the wire. We use a 1.2 nozzle for 1.2 wire. (1.2 nozzle). And the wire is stuck in the gap of the nozzle. On the gap of the nozzle, it's fixed. Okay. The wire feeding tube and the welding gun, they are connected successfully. Next, we need to test it. Okay, it's basically ready. Before we use it, we need to connect the gas. Let's check. There is a gas connection port at the back. Use a 10mm pipe. After inserting it, then we can adjust the air pressure. We can monitor and diagnose from here. The air valve we can only open the air valve. Then we turn on the gas now to check the air pressure. Basically, the bead should not be lower than 15. About 15 to 20. This kind of air pressure is fine. Then we can turn off the gas valve instructions. Okay, now we can weld. We need to connect the wire clamp. Before we start welding, we must wear protective glasses. Now let's weld a corner. We can weld now.